welcome to Easy Math classes. This class is very important for 2020-21 batches of students. Here, the main thing is going on, that is nothing but SSLC 2021 question paper pattern, maths score. The student can be scored 40 to 60 marks easily. In the previous video, you learnt about so many application level of questions in an AP. So as usual, now itself we learn how to score 40 to 60 marks, and the weightage of that is nothing but which type of questions are arises and how many marks are there regarding to AP you learned in the previous video. So next we think about in AP and which type of questions are arises and which type of chapters are there in the 10th standard. Here, some of the chapters are there according to 10th standard. In the previous year, we have, that means totally the 10th standard having 15 chapter, but for 2020-21, on the base of the government, it is reduced to 11 chapter. So the arithmetic progression is there, triangles, pair of linear equation in two variables, circles, construction, coordinate geometry, and quadratic equation, introduction to trigonometry, application of trigonometry, statistics, surface area and value. So here, these chapters are there, and regarding to the arithmetic progression, as you know that the 8 to 9 marks is there, so this is next how we go through on with easy method and which type of problem is coming regarding to the arithmetic progression. See, so arithmetic progression, so here the MCQ question, that means the 4 options are given on the base of that when one question is there, that is regarding to the AN formula or SN formula, or A or common difference can be in that question. So in the next part, that means the 1 marks question is there, that is also AN formula. It can be regarding to the fill in the blanks or fill in the blanks, and 1 marks question is there, are simple sentence questions also there, and another one thing, a small type of a problem is also there maybe. So AN regarding to the AN formula and the common difference can be found out on the base of that 1 marks question. And next the 2 marks question regarding to SN formula, the sum of the terms is may be given in the question, and the 4 marks question, and we did all of the things in the before 4 videos, that is an application type of question. Totally 8 to 9 marks, nearest 8 to 9 marks is there regarding to the arithmetic progression. So the question is this type. Yes students, so on the basis of the question pattern, so MCQ is there for regarding to 1 marks, and fill in the blanks is also there regarding to 1 marks. That is regarding to AN formula, or you have to find out A, or you have to find out the common difference. This type of problems are maybe present in a question paper. The first question is given here. In an AP, if AN is equal to 3n plus 2, then the common difference of the given progression is dash. The option is given, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, and C is nothing but 3 and D is 2. So we want to know that A is equal to 3n plus 2. You know that one already. So you know that one. The common difference is found out on the basis of the formula D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is obtained on the basis of when we put n is equal to 2, that is A2, and when you put n is equal to 1, then we obtain A1. So we have to give the value of n is equal to 1. So A1 is equal to 3 into, instead of n, you have to put 1, and the final value is 3 into 1 plus 2 is 5. And when you put 2 for n, then the AN becomes A2, and 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 2 is 8. So 5 and 8 is obtained. So what is D? D is nothing but A2 minus A1. Put the value of A2 here 8 and minus 5, that is A1 is 5. So final value is 3. So if 3 is there in the option, S. So C is the answer. Nice. Next the question is regarding to 1 marks, that is the fill in the blanks. The answer is not given. The question is this time, if the nth term of an AP AN is equal to 2n plus 1, then 9th term is 9th. So term is occur, then you know that one, that is regarding to n. N is equal to 9. Put the value of n in the equation that is given here. an is equal to 2. N is nothing but 9 plus 1 is nothing but 18 plus 1 is 19. So A9. So N is nothing but 9. So the answer is 19 here. So next the question is regarding the 2 marks, definitely that is SN formula, that is related to the SN formula. The SN formula, 2 marks question, and 3 marks question, you know that one, that is easy one. That is very easy one here. The third question is given regarding the sum. So find the value of, or find the sum of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus dash is given, and that is unlimited to 10 terms using the formula. So yes, sum is nothing but when the sum is given, automatically we know that the sum formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See here, so the formula, this type of question is given only due to the first MCQ and the fill in the blanks are regarding to AN formula, and a 2 marks question is given that is regarding to SN formula. So here the given thing is here A is equal to, you know that when A is equal to 5 and N is equal to 10, that is given here, and D is nothing but A2 minus A1, that is easy task. What is 8 minus 5, that is 3. So all of the things are known, but Sn is unknown. So 10 by 2, put the value of all of the known quantity, 2 into 5 plus n is nothing but 10, n minus 1 is directly we have to write it as 9, and d is nothing but 3. So multiply or divide whatever it may be on the base of the function. 5 is there, so 5 and 10 plus 9 3s are 27. So 5, so totally is 37, 5 37s are 185, yes, is it right? 35 3 and 3 is 15 and 85, okay. The S10, this is the regarding to S10, so S10 is equal to 185. So this type of a direct question is given for 2 marks question. And what about what is regarding the 4 marks question, that is in 4 videos you have to know that when the 4 videos are regarding to the application level, because the student gain totally 4 marks, and that video, on the base of that video, definitely you can gain 4 marks, that is regarding to the application level of question in AP. So the student, this is a full package of AP, totally 8 to 9 marks you can gain very easily. Well, go through on your goal and reach your goal. Thank you.